I'm Joel Tilsner. I'm president and owner of Tilsner Carton Company and Meridian Display. And I'm a third generation owner. My grandfather started it in 1918 with a horse and a wagon, going to liquor stores, picking up boxes that liquor bottles came in, taking those empty set-up boxes to grocery stores and reselling them to grocery stores. My grandfather raised his family in a house in the area of what is now I-94 and Marion Avenue. Afterwards, it moved down to the west side of St. Paul. And in the early 70s, my uncle bought a building downtown St. Paul. And in the mid-80s, we sold that building and moved to our present location. So it's always been a St. Paul company. We are a small player amongst real large organizations. The large organizations are mainly focused on how many tons of paper they can convert into corrugated products. Our mission is to take everything else that they don't want and try to service the customer with those unique demands that they have. That's our niche. What I'm proud of is when someone has a packaging problem or they need something and they don't know how to get it done, or they need to get it done real fast and they're not sure if they can get it done. We like that challenge. We like having our feet put to the fire, and that's what's fun. We love rush orders. We'll pick our suppliers based on what they can do, not what they can't do. I'm not interested in what they can't do. That, with a positive can-do attitude from our employees, and we've got a great approach to take care of our customers and exceed their expectations.
There's a lot of box companies that claim they're a one-stop shop. Tilsner Carton Company truly is. From the manufacturing of stock boxes, custom bottoms, to point-of-purchase displays, we're able to cover all of the needs that our customers could possibly dream of.
It's fun to walk into a store and see the display that you have produced here at Tilsner Carton Marine Display, and actually walk in the store and see it sitting there in the aisle.
It gets in your blood. If you've been doing it as long as I have, since I was a little kid, you have a tendency to walk through a grocery store, and if you see a box of something on the shelf, you'll try to turn it up and look at the bottom of it to see who made something. My wife is sometimes embarrassed to walk through a store with me because that's what I look at. You gotta breathe it, smell it, taste it, it's in your blood.